It's a great day at Western GMC Buick, located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta. Today we're looking at the 2021 Buick Enclave Premium. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of the Enclave. The driver's door has power locks, power windows, power adjustable mirrors, power folding mirrors, the programmable memory seat, an auto express window, and the child lock button. Below that we have the power liftgate button, and you'll notice this Enclave comes with a premium Bose sound system. The left of the steering wheel we have the telescopic steering wheel button, the park brake, and some light buttons and dials. This is our power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support. It's also got the massaging seat feature, a leather interior with white stitching, and a power sunroof up above. Next I'll climb in and we'll take a look at the leather wrapped heated steering wheel. The left side has our cruise control buttons with forward collision alert and the heated steering wheel button. The right side has our audio buttons. This is our digital dash. We're able to use the buttons on the steering wheel to scroll through our dash. Up above, we've got a place to put your sunglasses, the power sunroof buttons, programmable garage door opener, and OnStar. This is Buick's Infotainment Center, equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This touch screen displays the outside temperature, the time. It's equipped with navigation, and it doubles as our backup camera. We're able to turn the guidance off or back on. To the left of the screen, traction control, all-wheel drive. If we push the drive mode button, it will show us on the dash. To the right of the steering wheel are the hazard lights, park assist, lane departure alert. Here's our engine push start button, dual climate control buttons with air conditioning, heated and cooled front leather seats, some USB ports, and we've got double cup holders. At the front of the Enclave, we've got fog lights, LED headlamps, 3.6-liter V6 engine under the hood, 20-inch polished aluminum wheels. The side mirrors have side blind zone alert as well as the turn signal indicator, rear tinted windows, roof rails up top, the trailering package. The door handles have intelligent access, so as long as you've got the key fob, push the silver button to lock or unlock the doors. The rear window wiper and washer, as well as the power lift gate. We're going to pop that open using the key fob and pushing that button twice. In the trunk, we've got some cargo hooks, the buttons to fold the third row seating down, a power plug-in, and a storage compartment down below. Taking a look inside the back of this 7-passenger SUV, the passenger door has power windows, cup holder, and door storage. The backs of both front seats have got leather seat pockets. The back of our center console has the rear climate control buttons, heated rear seats, some USB ports, and a 120-volt power plug-in, armrests on both of the middle row seats, a rear sunroof. And to gain access to the third row, use the center aisle or pull the lever located on the side of the seat. The third row has 3 additional seats, cup holders, and USB plug-ins on either side. So come take a look at the 2021 Buick Enclave Premium today, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at westerngmcbuick.com.